In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Rockband drums to Wii. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Regardless of the model that you have of Rockband drums, you will be able to connect them to the Nintendo Wii or any other console. Usually, this is going to be done using a receiver. So before starting, make sure that you have access to this receiver. For this method, if you don't have the receiver, then sadly, you will need to purchase a replacement. But once you have the receiver good to go, the next thing to check is going to be the batteries on your Rock Band drums. So if you flip them upside down, you will be able to find the battery cover, remove it, and check to see how many batteries you need. This could vary depending on the model, but usually it is going to be 2 to 3 double or triple A batteries. And as long as you include all of the batteries, then you will be able to use your Rock Band drums with your Nintendo Wii. So now you can cover it up again, and to actually connect it, just plug the receiver into one of the available ports on the Nintendo Wii. Once the receiver has been properly connected to the Nintendo Wii, turn on the set of Rock Band drums by pressing the power button, and now you just have to synchronize them with the receiver. So press the appropriate button on the set of drums. This is going to prepare them for synchronization, and now all that you have to do is press the same button on the receiver itself. The receiver should synchronize itself with the drums, and now you are ready to use them. As long as you included the necessary amount of batteries when you removed the battery cover, and the dongle or the receiver has been properly detected and connected to the Nintendo Wii, you will now be able to use your set of drums to play any Rock Band title available on the console. And of course, this also works with other consoles such as a PlayStation 3, as long as you use the appropriate receiver and they are connected well. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Rock Band drums to Wii. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.